Knowing when and how to thin cucumber seedlings is so important for their overall health and success. Thinning cucumber seedlings produces healthier plants and higher yields by reducing competition for water and nutrients and providing good air circulation between plants. The seedlings are usually thinned once they have 1 to 2 sets of leaves. Most will be 2 to 3 inches tall by then, making them easy enough to grasp and pull. Cucumber seedlings can be easily plucked with your hands, simply by gripping them between thumb and forefinger and tugging. This is easiest when the soil is moist and pliable. But I prefer to avoid disturbing the soil by pulling out seedlings, so I use scissors to cut off the unwanted seedlings at ground level. If plants are close together and you suspect pulling one of them will affect another, cut the plant to be thinned. Pruning shears or small scissors work well to cut the stem close to the ground. Cucumbers have tender roots and are best thinned by cutting if the plants are anywhere near each other. So thin the seedlings down to 1 plant per pot by cutting off weaker plants. In order to give your cucumber plants the best chance of success, it is best to harden them off prior to leaving them outside full time. About 7 days before planting your plants outdoors, help acclimate them to temperatures, sunlight, and wind. This is the process of hardening off, or gradually acclimating your new plants to outdoor conditions. With proper hardening off, they'll have an easier transition to the garden and begin producing sooner. Happy organic gardening!